Hello everyone, this is ASM Arif. Today welcoming you to my new Photoshop tutorial. Today I'll show you how to edit the outdoor portrait, and let's go. At first go to the file and then open. I downloaded a photo which is downloaded from the freepik.com, and extracting the files, hit the OK button, and then this photo, and open it up. If you want to get this photo download link, please check out my video description. I'll give this download link in my video description. Okay, this photo is flat, that's why I will apply at first the dodge burn technique, then I will do color correction and give some effect or filter over there. Okay, let's start. Make a copy by pressing Ctrl J, and after that just make another copy by pressing Ctrl J, or turn off this one and just select this layer 1, and go to the blending mode, the skin mode, and then go to the blending options. After going to the blending options, just slide this one and find out the highlighted area of this photo. Okay, that's good, and press the Alt button and just click over there, and it will divide and adjust with this one. Okay, highlighted area just you'll get, can adjust. Okay, that's good. You can control the opacity of this one and hit the OK button. Turn on this layer and then blending mode, multiply, and blending options, just slide this one, find out the shadow areas of the photo and press the Alt button and hold it and click here. It will divide and adjust the shadow of the image, and you can control opacity also. Okay, hit the OK button, and after that, at first I'll go this filter, this layer actually, and mask it. After that, go to the image and apply image and hit OK, and then go to the upper layer, which is the multiply layer, and just mask it and go to the image and apply image, and this case make it invert and hit the OK button, and then select of these two layer, make group of this and mask the group, and go to the image and apply image, and just unmark the invert options and hit OK. You'll get the result of the previous. Okay, that's good. And unlock this one by pressing once and select these two layers, make group and make it merge by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. You'll get the shortcut button in this window, and these turn the off the group 1 and select this layer and go to the filter and camera filter. If you have no camera filter, please do update your Photoshop version. I'm using Photoshop Creative Cloud 17, then you can use this one, or Creative Cloud version. It will give automatically camera filter on your Photoshop. Okay, then I'll do basic color correction. This one is the basic options, and temperature I'll just -3 and I'll make it +3. Tint and the exposure, I don't do any change of this exposure, and add some contrast. 2 or 3 is good. Reduce the highlight a little bit, -39 is good, and add some shadows, +10. Whites, just add some 8 is good, and reduce the blacks, -9, that's good. Add some clarity, 5%, variance the 7%, and the saturation 5%. After that, I'll go to the camera calibration, and primary blue I'll reuse. After reducing that at the saturation, I'll go to the primary green and reduce this one a little bit. Actually, I want to increase this one, I want to make it reddish type. Okay, and decrease the saturation in this case, and decrease the red saturation, and then go to the vignette effects and add some amount of vignette, and go to the HSL hue H for hue, S for saturation, and L for luminance. Okay, I'll reduce some saturation of orange and reduce some luminance of orange at okay, luminance rate I'll decrease, and then I'll decrease the blue luminance, blue aqua luminance, green luminance, and add some the saturation of blue, purple, green, and I'll make the blue in these options, and I'll increase the saturation of red actually and hit the OK button. You'll get a soft vintage effect and in this photo. And after that, go to the adjustment layer and go to the color lookup and add the Fujifilm and decrease the fill opacity 16, and again go to the adjustment layer and color lookup and then add horror blue color and reduce the opacity of horror blue. Okay, and then go to the level and make it like that. Okay, let's see the changes of this one. This one is our main image. Then we applied the dodge burn option, then the camera filter, color lookup 1, color lookup 2, and then the level, and this look like the vintage look of this photo. After that, make group of these all layers and make it group and make it merge by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E, and then add a extra blank layer, and after that go to the file and go to the place embedded. Here is my light collections, and I'll add some lights from here and just hit the tick button and go to the blending mode skin, and after that go to the filter and make it blur and Gaussian blur, 58% Gaussian blur, and hit OK. Okay, that's good. And make group by pressing Ctrl G and make it merge by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt E. Go to the filter and the camera filter. After going camera filter, just I'll increase the amount of sharpness and add some luminance reduce noise reduction the luminance a little bit, and then again camera calibration, make it the primary blue -10, primary green I'll increase, and then hit the OK button. Okay, that's more attractive, I think. Okay, let's see what was the previous image of us. This one is our previous image and the present image, this one. After that, go to the filter and Google Nik collection, and I will add the Color Efex Pro. This Color Efex Pro you'll get by using the Google Nik collection plugins. If you want to get these plugins, please check out my video description. I'll give you the download link. One thing is that if you want to use this plugin, your PC configuration must be high, otherwise your PC or your work will be more slower. So be careful about using this Nik collection. Okay, I'm using the cross processing filters. Here are lots of other filters, you can use one of them, and I'll use this one and hit the OK button. After applying this filter, you will get more shiny effect over there, and I think okay, I'm just making group, making it merge. And what was the previous one, which is unedited version? This one was our unedited version, and this is our edited version of photo. If you want to add the vintage effect or the dramatic effect in your photo, please apply those techniques. Okay, hope that you will enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friend. And I am ASM Arif signing out till the next video. Bye bye.